Hello again everyone, welcome back to this short video series on project management for video games. This is the second video in the series, so if you haven't watched the first one, I'd suggest you doing so before watching this. My name is Alan and I'm on my second year at Centennial College Game Development Program. On my last video, I talked about what project management is, the most used management methodologies like waterfall and agile, and the video game production stages, like pre-production, production, testing, pre-launch and launch, and post-production. I also mentioned the project scope, project capacity, delivery plan and timeline, sprints, and risk management. On this part 2, I'll be talking a bit more on how to deal with these using some of the management tools. You might actually already know some of them. These tools enhance effort and simplify development in many ways. For example, idea sharing. These are tools that help setting up a communication system, which not only helps sharing ideas, but also makes it much more efficient whenever new ideas and information need to be spread to the teams. Idea sharing tools have a wide variety of usages and apps or softwares. You probably already use some of them, for example, storage services like Google Drive, Microsoft OneNote, or Dropbox, or even iCloud Drive. There's also email services like Gmail, Outlook, and iCloud. There's also the collaborative whiteboards like Google's Jamboard, Miro, or Freeform. After that, we have daily check-ins. Daily check-ins are very important while managing a team, because everybody lets the team know what they are working on, what has been done the previous day, and if there has been anything that has disturbed the work. It might sound too much having to share daily what is being done, but it actually lets the whole team know how the work is progressing, and it helps the manager predict and take actions regarding issues, which can save time and money in the project. There are instant messaging tools that allow teams to communicate quickly, be it just to post their daily check-ins or for more urgent communication. Slack, Discord, and Microsoft Teams are very popular tools for that. Next, there's progress tracking. By tracking how each task is going on the project, the manager can know whether the team is going according to the plan or if there should be any adjustments, like providing additional resources or changing the future expectations accordingly. Differently from the previous tools, these are more focused on the whole project, breaking it down to smaller parts, making it easier for the manager to keep an overall track of how the project is going. Some of these tools include Trello, Jira, Hack and Plan, and Codex. And finally, we have issue identification and improved performance. Aligned with progress tracking, by knowing how the tasks and progresses are going, the manager can easily not only predict issues, but also pinpoint where in the pipeline they are or will be happening. This is extremely important as it will make solving these issues much quicker, because all of these tools make all the tasks and processes go so much smoothly, it makes the whole progress more fluid. And yes, by becoming a project manager, we will be responsible to manage all of these tools and make team properly use them to make sure the project is a huge success in the end. By mixing and matching, all of these tools are powerful allies to project managers. They not only make the work easier, but also make it more efficient, giving the manager a better overview of all the aspects of the project, showing when, where, and how to take actions in order to conduct the work of the teams to fruition. So these were some of the tools used in project management. There are many more with many similarities, and some of them even combining those tools. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I have helped understanding how it is to manage a video game project. See you next time!